Greetings. This is Grandpa Fred again with part 2 of my drone purchase. Now, in part 1, I had a smaller $40 drone and I sent it back. So this is the new one. The drone that I sent back, you look at the video, you'll see the story about it. But it had no FAA compliance to the remote ID, which it needs. I need it for. I'm studying my course, my test for the FAA Part 170 certification, drone pilot certification, and I'll be taking that soon. And the drone, I wanted the FCC certification on the drone, the remote ID, so it would broadcast my information, the serial number and the other information that FAA requires. Excuse me. That drone didn't have it. This new drone does. It has all that capability. This is a Ruko, which I just received yesterday and just opened it. And I'm going to show it to you. Take it out of the box here. Now, I certainly like the case. It comes in much nicer case than the one that I sent back. And this is a much nicer drone. It's bigger, it's heavier, much heavier. This is more than 0.55 pounds. This is over a pound. It's and it requires the broadcast remote ID, which it comes built within. So it's internal, the remote ID. You don't need to have the remote accessory attached, but I ordered one of those anyway just so I'd have it, because when I called them, I talked to the people, and that's one thing I liked. There was actually a voice on the other side, a person I could talk to, and they explained to me that this had it built in, the remote ID built in, but you can put the remote ID module on here and it actually works better than the one that's built in. It has more information, and so I bought it anyway. It's shipped separately, so I didn't get it yet, but this is the new remote new drone that I just got, so I received yesterday. Much heavier, much bigger, and it's called the I keep wanting to say Roku, but it's not Roku. It's Ruko. The Ruko FD10. Let me see. Oh. Ruko F11 Pro. So it's considered a Pro, and it cost about 10 times more than that one that I sent back. But you got to spend money to get what you want. And this has a better quality camera because it's 4K UHD. It's not the 1080 high vision. The other ones were supposed to be 4K, but it wasn't 4K. It was just high V. 1080. And this one is better. That's all I can say. And it has the remote. I have to figure it out because I haven't spent any time with it. I just got it yesterday. But it has a serial number. It has all the information I need for the remote ID, which would be broadcast information that FAA will collect. And it comes with 2 batteries and spare blades, and 2 batteries. And the flight time is actually 60 minutes, whereas the other one was only 20 minutes. So this is, it's better. You get what you pay for. So this is the one I'm going with. And I should be taking my FCC certification license Part 2, the 170 Part 2, for my official drone FAA certification as a drone pilot. I'll be officially a drone pilot, and I can fly where official commercial drone pilots fly, and I can sell my videos, I can post them, and I can go where I can legally fly, anywhere I can legally fly the drone. So I'm looking forward to that. But I got to pass the test first, and I'm about 80% complete my training. So once I complete the training, I'll schedule the test, and hopefully I'll make another video and I'll be out there flying. So stay tuned. Join my site and get on the notification list if you want to see that with this drone, and see how it goes. But I'm looking forward to it. This is a good looking drone. I mean, it's a nice, I gotta say, it's much nicer than the one that I had that I sent back. And it's your standard four-wing chopper. You gotta do this right so I don't damage it. Okay. Gotta open these in the right order. Okay. Now I can put the module that I bought, the ID module, the remote ID, I can put that down here somewhere. I gotta put a sticker on the side with the serial number, and I can put the module up here. Excuse me. Comes with a sticker on here. See what it says. I can find my glasses here. Oh. Okay. Let's see what that says. It gives a model number, FCC ID number, IC number, and I guess a serial number with a little code on it. I don't think you can see that, the camera. You can't see that, but it comes with the information. Power button on the top here. So I'm looking forward to flying this baby. Yeah. So keep in touch if you want to see it fly and I get my license. I should have it. Well, I got a little ways to go. I'm gonna go through the training one more time after I finish it. I'm about 80% complete, and then I'll do it. I'll go through the whole thing again because I want to make sure I pass this test, and then I want to fly it. Iced tea. I am learning some of the rules. No alcohol when you fly these things, so there's restrictions. You got to learn all the restrictions, and they're pretty, they're pretty firm on that. You got to stay out of the zones you don't belong in, or restricted airspace. Just stay away from it. And I plan to stay away from airports and restricted zones, but I want to do some flying and take videos, and I'll be able, with the license, I can be able to sell videos if I want. I don't usually do that. You notice on my website I have a lot of videos out there, and I don't get paid anything by YouTube, or I don't sell anything. And I pay for everything I get. I do a number of reviews, and I buy everything. I don't get anything free, and I don't ask for it. So that's why I appreciate you watching. So, okay, until next time, and stay tuned. Go on my list there and get notified when I could do a part 3 to this drone saga. And I'll be in touch. You'll get a notification that I'll post another video. I hope you come watch it. Thank you for your time.